Hey, I'm SA. Welcome to Shutterdot. And this channel all about creative things. If you are into creative things just like photos, video editing, filmmaking and creative cool things, you are in the right place now. So I'll be sharing filmmaking tricks, editing hacks, so many software tools and so many things in this channel, and not especially boring tech talk like episodes. So go ahead and hit subscribe button and let's make something cool together. Here we go.
So first of all, open CapCut and let's bring in the footage we're going to use for this edit. I downloaded two clips from pixabay.com. One is a plain white background and the other is a video of a couple running on the beach in the evening. Drag your main video clip into the timeline first. Then bring the white background and place it above your video layer. Now let's turn off the magnet tool. Trust me, it'll make it easier to move clips around without things snapping automatically. Next, go to the toolbar and add a text layer. Now we'll adjust the white background to fit the screen size. Type in the word leisure, or whatever you like. It's totally up to you. Place the text layer above the white background in the timeline. Important step, turn off the visibility of the white background so you can see the text clearly. Now choose a font that you like, totally your call. Let's go back to the text layer and resize it so it fills the screen nicely. Then go to the Animation tab and pick Type 02 from the text animations. Set the animation duration to around 1.7 seconds, or whatever feels right to you. Next, change your text color to green. Why? Because we'll use chroma key in the next step, and green works best for that. Now let's make a compound clip from the white background and text layer. Just select them both, right-click, and choose Make Compound Clip. Great! Now it's time for the chroma key magic. Go to the chroma key tool, tap on the green color, and adjust the strength and shadow until the green disappears. What this does is it reveals your main video through the text. Looks awesome, right? Now we'll make a copy of that compound layer. This next part is really important, so follow along closely. Move your cursor to the start of the timeline. Then go to the 2-second mark and make a cut in both the original and the copied clip. Now we're going to apply a mask to both clips. Choose horizontal mask for both layers. Select the first layer, move to the 2-second mark, and add a keyframe. Then go to the end of the layer, add another keyframe, and adjust the Y position to 1100. That moves it off the screen. Now do the same for the second layer, but this time use -1100. That makes the second part slide in from the opposite direction. And boom, you've got a smooth, clean text animation where your video shows through the letters. If you want, you can now add color grading, filters, or even sound effects to bring this intro to the next level. For me, I added some custom adjustments and a cool sound effect. And this is how the final result looks.